the doctor said I need about 3 weeks of recovery. But the nurses is loving me, singing the best part of the day is my half. Feeding me breakfast and giving me a sponge bath. Niggas say I died dead in the streets. Nigga, I'm getting high, getting head on the beach. Chillin', sitting on about $500,000. With all my niggas, all my guns, all my women. Next 2 years, I should see about $1 billion. All for the love of drug dealing. Got no love for the other side, fuck them tricks. Any repercussions, Junior Mafia spit clips all the time. Big Papa kick the raw rhyme, raw flows, and that's how it goes.
I swear to God, it feel like every day is my birthday. Let the top down, California's my birthplace. So I'ma take you there like Big took niggas to New York. Juicy had us feeling like we was from New York, and that's real shit. Blaze to Philly, it's summertime, shout out to Will Smith. Cause who didn't wanna be the Fresh Prince? Flat top, gold chain, and some fresh kicks. My nigga Nas told me money make the world go round, and Uncle Luke showed me how to make my girl go down. I've been around hip-hop since '85. She had her ups and downs, but she stayed alive. I used to think LL stood for Love LA. He from Queens, how the fuck he put that with Cool J? Red Kango hat, red sweatsuit to match. Red Adidas, nigga, game is back.